bro.
Okay, babe, just chill.
Don't come in my house with that shit.
Just chill.
Don't fucking come in my house hitting my motherfucking dog with a water bottle, bro. Don't do that shit.
I didn't even hit him.
Yes, the fuck you did. Come here, Papa. Come the fuck here.
I'm not gonna touch your dog.
Papa, if you don't come here right now, come here. Come here.
Trust me, bro.
Come here. Come right
I'm
now.
hungry.
Okay, you can whoop him.
Man, don't whoop the
You don't
dog.
even stop him.
Did y'all hear what she just said? She said, okay, you're going to get a whooping. She got mad at the dude for throwing a water bottle at the dog. But she's going to whoop the dog's ass. Make that make sense.
Man, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Come here.
Man, I'm not gonna hurt the dog.
Get the fuck away from my motherfucking dog. Don't touch my dog, nigga. You just hit him in the fucking face. You don't fuck with him. You just said you would punch my dog in the face. Don't fuck with me.
You just said, you just hit him. And then she said, no, you said you would punch him in the face. So which one was it? Which one is it? Bitch is crazy.
Come here. Come here. You been wanting to do that. You been wanting to touch him. Come here,
Man,
baby.
I don't want to touch nothing in this house.
You been wanting to.
Hey, don't stab me, bro.
I'm not doing that motherfucking jello, your dumb ass. You in my motherfucking house, nigga. It's self-defense, nigga. Fuck out my shit.
It's self-defense because he's in the house. Hey, bro, stay far away from her, man. I don't give a if you don't live with her, then you have no reason to go back there, sir. No, just stay away from her.
Come here. Come here. I was just a fucking sleep, bro.
Okay, babe, just chill.
Don't come in my.
Let's go to the next
You want to
video.
talk to me, but you want to hit my son. Don't fucking hit my son. Come here. Why do you keep so sick beside that man, bro? Why do you
I'm
keep
that
so sick
man
beside him,
now.
bro?
I'm that man.
Why do you keep doing that? Go back in that room, Sam.
Hey,
He's the main one that fucking hit you.
I didn't hit him.
Go back in that room and sit down. He's the main one that just hit you.
Away from me with that.
He's the main one. Shit ain't fucking worth that shit, nigga. That shit ain't worth that shit, nigga. That shit ain't worth that shit, nigga. That nigga got me fucked up. Why the fuck is you here? Fucking disrespecting
Exactly.
me for
Why are
it,
you
nigga.
there, sir?
What's wrong with this shit?
Please go.
This motherfucker gonna come here and hit you for no reason. This is your house. Can't nobody come in here and hit you.
She's talking
And I'm
to
gonna
the
show you
dog.
can't come in here and hit my motherfucking dog.
She's
I'm gonna show you
talking
can't come in here and hit my motherfucking
to
dog.
the